Hi, I'm Dara, and this is how I stop wrinkles before they start. It's all about Kiehls. True facts, you need vitamin C, and this powerful strength line-reducing concentrate is my go-to serum. I start with it every morning after I cleanse my skin. It's packed with antioxidant vitamin C and super hydrating hyaluronic acid, and it helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Next thing, moisturizer. Hydration, hydration, hydration. The best way to get glowing skin is to keep it hydrated, and my favorite thing is Ultra Facial Cream. It gives me 24-hour hydration, it really plumps up my skin, and it's totally eliminated my dry patches. Last step, SPF. Nothing is more damaging than the sun, so protect yourself. I use Superfluid Daily UV Defense. It's SPF 50, and it also helps protect my skin against pollution damage. Plus, it has a really nice matte finish that doesn't mess with my makeup. 1, 2, 3, and I'm ready to take on the day.